How do you choose the best bar and chain oil for chainsaws? You want a bar and chain oil that is very tacky and will cling to your chainsaw's chain. AMSOIL Bar and Chain Oil has a tacky formula that clings to metal surfaces better than other oils. It delivers unparalleled lubrication and protection. Semi-synthetic bar and chain oil is formulated with anti-wear additives that extend the life of bar and chain applications. Our bar and chain oil lasts super long and the chain does not get as hot. This will also keep your chainsaw blade sharper for longer periods of time as well. This helps keep your chainsaw running smoother and longer as well. AMSOIL Bar and Chain Oil is available in quart bottles, gallon jugs, 5-gallon pail and 55-gallon drums. Landscape, lawn care and tree trimming companies are eligible for AMSOIL's commercial program. AMSOIL Commercial Customers can purchase AMSOIL Bar and Chain Oil, SABER 2-stroke oil and small engine oil for wholesale prices. AMSOIL Bar and Chain Oil is perfect for all chainsaws.